Now after displaying the color properties of image, now the next topic is how can we change the color space of our desired image. So here I have a image variable image1. So I want to change this image1 into a grayscale format. So for this I will declare a variable gray, which is equal to I will use a method which is named as cv2.cvt convert color, and this convert color, it takes two arguments. The first one is the actual image, and in my case the actual image is image1. So I will pass here image1, and after that it will take another argument, which is the conversion of your actual image into a grayscale or RGB color format. So this is cv2.color bgr to gray, and then I will just execute this, remove this display, run this, and everything is okay. Now I have created a function which is named as display, which take an argument which is the image you want to display. So it is for the better organization of the program. So here I will call my display function, pass my this gray image into this function, and now I have passed gray into my display function. I will execute this, and you can see my image is converted into gray image.